China New Century Holding Group has its presence all over the world. Welcome to China New Century Holding Group. China New Century Holding Group is just as easy, calm, confident, and restrained as the young city where it is located. Since its establishment in 1998, New Century has eyed on the world and finally becomes a benchmark for Chinese national enterprises to go worldwide. Currently, New Century has supported 16 fully owned enterprises and over 1,000 cooperative enterprises, with its products sold in more than 120 countries and regions. Identified by customers, New Century has made continuous achievements, becoming one of the top 500 world Chinese enterprises. New Century is now a large corporate group in China, one of the top 500 enterprises in China, one of the top 50 private enterprises in China, one of the top 50 private manufacturers in China, an enterprise whose comprehensive services ranking first in China, a high-tech enterprise, China well-known trademark and famous firm, an excellent Chinese enterprise, an enterprise contributing to sports media of the handicapped in China, a credible and law-compliant enterprise in China, and an advanced enterprise for going out strategy in China, etc. Meanwhile, it has been granted over 50 honorary titles, such as one of the top 20 enterprises in Zhejiang Province, one of top 20 manufacturers in Zhejiang Province, and one of the 10 leading enterprises in Zhejiang Province. Chairman Chen Desong has ever been granted as one of the top 10 men for management innovation in Asia, a special contributor to the 60th anniversary of the People's Republic of China, a meritorious entrepreneur in China, one of the 10 industrial labor models in China, a leader in scientific and technological innovation in China, an innovative figure for the 60th anniversary of the People's Republic of China, one of the top 10 outstanding figures in industrial economy of China, an excellent Chinese entrepreneur, a meritorious entrepreneur in Zhejiang Province, one of the 10 men of the time of Zhejiang Province, an exceptional man during the 30 years reform and opening up in Taizhou. General Manager Zheng Hui has been titled as one of the top 10 outstanding women in the industrial economy of China. During the period of visiting Europe, Chairman Chen Desong was cordially received by Xi Jinping, General Secretary of the Communist Party of China, National President, and Chairman of Military Commission. Chairman Chen Desong was invited to attend APEC Business Summit, was cordially received by Hu Jintao, then the General Secretary of the Communist Party of China, National President, Chairman of Military Commission, and his wife, Liu Yongqing. During the period of visiting Europe 3 nations, Chairman Chen Desong, accompanied with the CPC Central Committee's Premier State Counsel Li Keqiang, Chen Desong was cordially received by Prime Minister Li Keqiang. Chairman Chen Desong was cordially received by the CPC Central Committees and Wang Qishan, the Secretary of the Commission for Discipline Inspection of the Central Committee of the CPC. Chairman Chen Desong accompanied the Chinese delegation of visiting South Africa. Chen Desong was cordially received by Wu Bangguo, then the CPC Central Committee's Chairman of Standing Committee of the National People's Congress, and his wife. During the period of visiting Belgium, Chairman Chen Desong was cordially received by Wen Jiabao, then the CPC Central Committee, Premier State Counsel. Chairman Chen Desong was cordially received by Jia Qinlin, then the CPC Central Committee, the Chairman of Chinese People's Consultative Conference, and Wang Gang, then the Vice Chairman of Chinese People's Consultative Conference. Zhao Hongzhu, Secretary of the Secretariat of the Central Committee of the Communist Party of China, Vice Secretary of the Commission for Discipline Inspection of the Central Committee of the CPC, inspect New Century Holding Group. Chairman Chen Desong was cordially received by leaders of the party and nation: Lu Yongxiang, Zhou Tianong, Ismail Taliwadi, Helu Li, Chen Siwei, Jiang Zhenghua, Gu Xiulian, Abdulayat Abdurrashid, Qian Yunlu, Li Jinhua,
Sun Fuling, Luo Haocai, Wang Wenyuan, Hao Jianxiu, etc. Xia Baolong, Secretary of the Zhejiang Provincial Party Committee, Director of the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress of Zhejiang Province, Li Qiang, Vice Secretary of Zhejiang Provincial Party Committee, Standholder, Zhao Chuanqiu, Chairman of the CPPCC of Zhejiang, Chen Deming, then the Commerce Minister, Zhong Shan, Vice Minister, and the inspected New Century Holding Group several times in different periods.
Chairman Chen Desong was invited by presidents of the Federated States of Micronesia, Chile, and Peru to survey the Latin American market, and was kindly received. Chairman Chen Desong, together with President of Russia, Premier of New Zealand, President of Mexico, Premier of Australia, Chairman of Vietnam, and Prime Minister of Malaysia, attended the 2009 Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Industrial and Commercial Leaders Summit. Current New Century after 10 years development. Here is China's New Century Holding Group headquarters. The New Century people rooted in China and eye on the world. After more than 10 years of hard work and striving, we're forming a large enterprise group which main business is the display industry, the computer industry, communication industry research and development, manufacturing, and international logistics industry. We are expecting that in the next decade to come, the New Century Group will go closer to or even become a global top 500 enterprises. Here is the IT Industrial Park of the New Century. The company is a new technical enterprise, relying on independent innovation and 10 best Chinese technical revitalizing enterprise. Technical innovation enterprise of Chinese audio and video industry. As a Chinese high-tech enterprise, New Century has researched, developed, and manufactured display products and computer products in its IT field, constructed first-class European-style factory for 3G intelligent communication products, introduced multiple production lines of international standards, and built SMT industrial workshop produced by Fuji from Japan, forming a production capacity of over 5 million sets of various LCD TVs, over 10 million sets of various computers, and over 10 million sets of 3G intelligent communication products. The range of display product includes DLED, ELED, LED, LCD, and other liquid crystal TV, and LCD display, intelligent flat conference board, TV box, sound bar, automobile navigator, digital photo frame, MP3, MP4, player, portable TV, portable DVD. Computer products include tablet PC, Platinum Series, Color Drill Series, Eternal Series, Netbook, Notebook, and e-book. 3G intelligent communication products are mobile phone, video phones, and others. A base for IT industry has been formed to integrate research, development, and maintenance. The CNC branded products have obvious excellence, that is, with ever-decreasing thickness, simultaneous video and communication, bringing pleasure to eyes, ears, and hearts, and guiding a healthy way of life in the new century. The CNC branded products are sold to many countries in the world, with customers alike for win-win. And this is how the New Century creates its internationally advanced products and the industrial foundation for a 100-year-old enterprise with the strongest capacity of service nationwide. This is the international logistics section of the Global Holding Group. It ranks first in comprehensive service industry in China and governs the international subordinates company of the New Century, the import and export company of the New Century, the logistics parks of the New Century, the container fleet of the New Century, and the exhibition hall for products to be imported and exported of the New Century, etc. The logistics section of the New Century opens up to the world and has been specialized in import and export trade, information, shipping space booking, cargo distribution, customs declaration and application for inspection, storage, and distribution to serve enterprises of all levels. The company, which firstly promoted one-stop services in Zhejiang province, has established a business relationship with over 3,000 traders in the world, or even established a long-term alliance with internationally renowned shipping companies. The company ranks first in 5 successive years for self-operating exports, and has an annual transportation of 150,000 standard containers for cargo importer or exporter. It enjoys a large supporting industry and is leading the logistics trade. This is the Aquatic Product Company of the new century. The Aquatic Product Company is a leading agricultural enterprise as well as a technically innovative enterprise in China. The company, relying on the rich ocean resources in the East China Sea, has constructed a 10,000-ton freezing storage and established microorganism inspection, quality inspection, and monitoring centers, as well as 3 workshops for intensive processing of aquatic products. The workshops are supplied with internationally advanced production line. Throughout the process of product processing, a GCCP health and safety management system is employed and registered through FDA. Indicators for health and safety of the products are all compliant with the standards of both the importing and the exporting countries. All this makes the company an environment-friendly manufacturer for organic foods and green foods, and the CNC branded products manufacturer recognized as organic foods, green foods, and brand products in China, as well as the gold medal winners. Today, the New Century Group has made a heavy investment to incorporate Huayu Holding Group in Taicang City, Anhui Province, where it has undertaken construction of the administration center, the Citizen Square, the Municipal Square, and the New Century Luxurious Garden, which are well received by all walks of society. The New Century Luxurious Garden, located at the political, economic, and cultural center of the city, covers a total construction area of 500,000 square meters, is a model of new-style buildings and a fashionable community. Here is the New Century International Grand Hotel. The hotel has made an excellent combination of sites in the European countries and be furnished with fashionable equipment and facilities. The greeting hall has been constructed in compliance with first-class standard, and the conference hall, capable of accommodating over 1,000 persons, is equipped with intelligent systems and facilities for simultaneous interpretation of 6 languages. The presidential suites and guest rooms are European style. The hotel has an integration of catering, entertainment, and business for holiday enjoyment. Also provides considerate and warm services. It is no doubt the best place for recreation and business. In New Century, there is always consciousness to bring warmth into your heart. The New Century not only creates wealth, but also a sense of empathy. To feel the New Century, you will experience the vigor of the youth. Today, China New Century Holding Group is fully devoted to rendering prosperity of the global economy and trade with its prudent and highly effective management model, excellent products and outstanding services. As the saying goes, good birds choose the best trees to rest. China New Century Group sincerely welcomes friends from worldwide to visit.